Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Neha Konar. I am a student of Bardhaman University, 5th Sem, Nutrition Honors. Once again, wishing you all a happy Nutrition Week. Today, I am here to discuss with you all about the topic why ginger is known as the best medicine in our day-to-day life. So, now let us begin with the topic. Introduction. Ginger is among the healthiest spices on the planet. It is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have powerful benefits for our body and brain. Ginger is a flowering plant originated from China. It belongs to Gingerberraceae family and is closely related to turmeric, cardamom and galangal. Role of ginger in our body. People have used ginger in cooking and medicine since ancient times. It is a popular home remedy for morning sickness, nausea, stomach pain and other health issues. Antioxidants and other nutrients in ginger may help to prevent or treat arthritis, inflammation and various types of infection. It also has a potential to reduce risk of cancer, diabetes and other health problems in some cases. It also helps in improving digestion and reducing gas. It also relieves pain. Doses of 2 grams of raw or treated heated ginger reduced exercise-induced muscle pain by 25%. It helps to reduce inflammation. It helps in supporting cardiovascular health. It protects the respiratory system. It helps in lowering cancer risk. It also acts as a detox agent against Alzheimer's disease and chronic inflammation, including anti-aging. There are several studies that have conducted research on the Alzheimer's disease on dead rats and found that ginger is a good repellent to people suffering from Alzheimer's. Uses of ginger. It helps in weight loss and stomach digestion. It can support our immune system. Ginger tea or making a gingery salad dressing quickly may help to boost our health activity. It helps to reduce diabetes by making improvements in insulin and metabolism. So, dried and fresh ginger is a good option for flavoring smoothies and veggies, based stir fry and soups for diabetes patients. It helps in hydration. It also acts as a detox drink. It also helps to prevent migraine in some cases. It helps to reduce heart disease. Markers like arginine activity, LDL bad cholesterol and triglycerides and give a high fat diet and also helps to prevent Alzheimer's disease and age-related congenital disease. It helps to protect DNA. Ginger protects our DNA from getting damaged and causing deformity among newborns. Also, some researchers conducted a study covering 100 fertile men wherein they were given 500 mg of ginger powder for a continuous 3 months, and this had resulted in an increase of sperm quality. Thus, ginger is said to protect our DNA. Some healthy recipes of ginger for you all. Soups, ginger tea, lemon ginger morning detox drink, healthy veggie starter fries, smoothies with honey and lemon, especially for diabetic patients. Rava upma with chutney. Role of ginger in skin and hair. It prevents wrinkle, the first sign of aging. It gives a glow in our skin. It helps in skin toning. Ginger makes our skin healthy and softens it and makes us look fresh, and also removes white spots from our face. It helps in hair growth, increases blood circulation and enables hair growth. It prevents dandruff. It treats split ends and also helps us to reduce hair fall. So now let us talk about how ginger can help you to protect against coronavirus disease. Coronavirus are a family of viruses that can cause illness such as common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, SARS, and Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS. In 2019, a new coronavirus was identified as the cause of the disease outbreak that originated in China. In March 2020, the World Health Organization declared the COVID-19 outbreak as a pandemic. Symptoms of the disease. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 may appear 2 or 14 days after exposure. This time after exposure and before having symptoms is called the incubation period. Common signs and symptoms may include fever, cough and tiredness. Early symptoms of COVID-19 may include a loss of taste or smell. Other symptoms can include shortness of breath or difficulty in breathing and pneumonia, muscle aches, chills, sore throat, runny nose, headache and chest pain. People with older age may have a higher risk of serious illness from COVID-19 and the risk increases with age. Serious heart diseases such as heart failure, coronary artery disease or cardiomyopathy, cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease COPD, type 2 diabetes, severe obesity, chronic kidney disease, sickle cell disease, weakened immune system from solid organ transplants, asthma and brain and nervous system conditions, chronic lung diseases such as cystic fibrosis. Ginger plays a major role in boosting immunity against coronavirus. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to discuss about such an interesting topic. I would like to thank my sir, whose valuable guidance has been the success, and his suggestions and his instruction has served as the major contributor towards completion of the project. Last but not the least, I would like to tell you that ভালো লাগলে চ্যানেলটাকে লাইক, কমেন্টস এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না এবং শেয়ার করতেও ভুলবেন না। ধন্যবাদ।